Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two highly rated portable washing machines that are perfect for small spaces and travel. The FADSK portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 15 liters, while the DXJJ portable washing machine offers a compact 10-liter option. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with capacity. The FADSK model has a generous 15-liter capacity, making it suitable for larger loads, while the DXJJ model has a smaller 10-liter capacity, which may limit its use for bigger laundry tasks. If you often wash larger items or multiple pieces at once, the FADSK could be the better choice. Both machines feature 3 cleaning modes, allowing users to customize their washing experience based on the type of fabric and level of dirt. This versatility is a significant advantage for both models, catering to different laundry needs effectively. When it comes to user feedback, both machines have received mixed reviews. Users of the FADSK model appreciate its larger capacity and portability, but some have reported issues with build quality. On the other hand, the DXJJ model is praised for its quiet operation, but criticized for its smaller capacity and potential inconsistencies in product quality. It's essential to weigh these reviews against your specific needs. In conclusion, both the FADSK and DXJJ portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize capacity and performance, the FADSK may be the better option. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly choice for smaller loads, the DXJJ could work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.